Was it wrong to take the outstretched hand? Had I to regret it? Though this terrified further on, no longer knowing what the gesture had said. A broken bar uncertainty returned. Was it fair to myself, not knowing how time passes, a broken bar too fast? Lose a grip. It piled up. You were allowed. You could a broken bar not given to it. Where was the chalk line? When did one go? When did the other come? Time had always proven everything. Was there anything else besides the time? And how long would the time last? Like white and black? Can you pour the sea with a shell into a small well? Can you dig a bottomless pit with your hands in the white sand on the beach? Yes. Is this more than the ordinary? I couldn't remember who or where the answer was. Each day is a special day, yet what I saw and acted seemed so strange to me. I saw a motorcade of nearly 50 army tanks loaded on trucks pass and line a broken bar to the left. I thought, is this war now? A broken bar was at war? Every day we rearrange things. We don't know if they will look the same tomorrow. Sometimes we reset them by putting the nothing in order, a broken bar, and then smile with satisfaction.